Hi everybody, I'm Shravan. I'm professor of psycholinguistics at the University of Potsdam. I will be using this YouTube channel for delivering lectures online for the courses that are going to be taught at the University of Potsdam. As you know, we are no longer able to teach the courses, at least not in the near future, in person. So we are going to do this over the internet. Many of the lectures will be delivered over YouTube, so you can watch them in your own time and replay them as many times as you like. And in addition, there will be classes at the designated times for each course, and these classes will be held in real time over Zoom. So more details for these courses will be available on Moodle, and I will provide details on that later on. These courses are usually only for the University of Potsdam students, and nobody else will be able to access the Zoom lectures, but the video lectures will be available publicly. See you soon.